Hey there, and welcome to today's video. If you've been wondering how to stop Discord from using your data on your Android device, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple and clear method to turn off Discord's data usage features for more privacy. First, open the Discord app on your Android mobile device. Next, tap the settings icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down the menu until you find the Data and Privacy section and tap on it. After that, look for the option called Use Data to Improve Discord and switch it off. Then a confirmation pop-up will appear. Click on Yes, I'm sure to confirm the change. Finally, disable the second option titled Use Data to Personalize My Discord Experience. Then a confirmation pop-up will appear. Click on Yes, I'm sure to confirm the change. By completing these steps, you've now stopped Discord from collecting extra data for analytics and personalization purposes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and leave a comment if you have questions. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.